Hello and welcome to Stasia Travels. So in my taste earlier on, I actually forgot to show you two things. So rather than doing a separate video or rather than re-uploading earlier's video, I'm just going to do it as a separate one. I've got this Python certificate for riding the Python, which I didn't know they did before. Like, I vaguely heard of them, but never actually sort of seen them, and intended to ask about it. And I saw a little girl running along with one in her hand, and I thought I'd ask, and they did one for me. So it's a cool little freebie you can get. Unfortunately, they don't do it on all of the rides, but they do it on the Python. It's very sparkly and very shiny and very cool. The other thing I forgot to show you, I didn't actually get in Efteling, which is why I sort of probably forgot, because it wasn't something I bought there. This I actually bought in the supermarket, in the AH supermarket, because I stayed in Guest House, which is around the corner from Efteling. And they had this for €4. It was like a pop-up Ravelin book. I haven't opened it yet. I thought I'd save that to film. Oh, pardon me. Seems to have loads of little bits and bobs in it. I've taken like the plastic off at the back just so that I could get into it a bit more easily. But other than that, that's literally all I've done, is just take the little plastic thing off. Oh, okay. Looks like it's like several layers here that are almost coming apart. Well, I mean, it wants to be layers, it's going to be popping up in it, so... But I mean, like, there's things that are just loose. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. I'd have to do it. I need two hands for this shit. Okay. Or at least I need to do like that. Okay, well, you get the idea, right? So, there's a bunch of people visiting the park there. Don't know if you can take them off. I don't think you can take them off. Well, they're just there, hanging, chilling at Raveline. And you got a cool little background thing there. Apologies for whatever pops up on the background on Netflix. It's kind of just been doing its own thing for ages while I've been busy with various different things. So that's pretty cool, and that's not just it. It's got this side of it as well, which has got the main stage. It's not popped up very well at this point, but oh well. It's got like some stuff on the ground there as well. But I mean, for €4, it's alright, isn't it? If you're gonna like display it somewhere. Sort of wanted to see what it was about, and it's cheap enough. So here you can sort of make your own little pop-up figurines. I don't know if you can like poke them through anywhere there, or how that would work, but I'm sure it'd work in some way. So you got different creatures, you've got the heroes. So yeah, is it just the one sheet? Yeah, and the back side of them as well. So just a sort of one extra sheet, it seems, in there. Unless I'm missing something. No, don't seem to be. Well, there we go. That's that pop-up Raveline book. And anyway, like, share, subscribe, and all that malarkey. Adios. In fact, I should say 2 scenes.